Sorry, I clicked the wrong stuff. Then that's why like the lecture was disconnected. But let me continue to explain more. So as I mentioned, like the polygon, polyline, point, the three important layers. So here, this I said this is the data frame. This is a geographical boundary data frame. This is statistical boundary frame. So I'm going to right click on the data frame and activate. Then now we activate the second data frame, which is now is bold, which means activated. So I want to show you another the boundary we are using for the statistics. Okay, so first of all, here maybe you know like the blocks, maybe you know like the block groups, maybe you know like the census tracks. Okay, so as you can see here, block groups is the one of the smallest statistical boundary we are using. Smallest statistical boundary. Let me zoom in, and I'm going to zoom in. You know, like the, let me zoom in here a little bit. This is like the, if I turn off, we can see here, this is like the, where is the urban college? This is urban ecology right here. Okay, this is urban ecology. Let me turn on, and maybe I think this is urban colleges. Okay, let me make it hollow. Here we go. So let me make the boundary color is some kind of like the let's do it yellow. Okay, this is like the block boundary. So this is our urban colleges, one blocks. Let me open attribute table. So this is like the block number, block ID. So our the block the our college block ID is 3905035, which is 39 in Ohio, 035 in Cuyahoga County, and 107802237. What is those kind of weird numbers? How we can create? Who put that this number in here? It is based on census tract and block groups. Okay, let me go back. Like this. So now I'm going to change the black. Hello. And 1.25 I'm going to make like this. So this is black. Ah, this is too thick. So let me do 1. Okay, so as you can see here, this is black. This is block groups, which means many blocks belongs to block groups. Which means in the PowerPoint you can see here in the bottom. So this is concept of block groups and census tracts. So why we are learning block group census tract? It is because we are measuring population or socioeconomic indicator based on block group census tracts. Okay, let's say block populations. These block populations here, and then we're gonna measure all these block population, and it becomes one block group populations. Okay, so we have 2 block groups in one census tract. So these 2 block group population becomes one census tract populations. Okay, so block group census tract, they have the same the field, which is populations, but the numbers will be different. So here This is concept, right? This is concept. So you can see where this kind of weird number is from is like this. So state 39, okay? State plus county 5 digit. State county census tract 11 digit. Okay? State county tract block group 12 digit. So state county tract block groups will be 15 digit. That's why when we saw this number of digit, they are 15 digit because it is blocks. So based on number of digit, you need to understand, this one is block, this one is block group, this one is census tract, this one is county and state. Okay? You know, this is, I'm going to repeat this thing very often. Okay? So you need to understand those kind of things. Okay? So now we are doing like the concept of boundary, the statistical boundary. So there's like the standard hierarchy like this, okay? So based on the picture, so this block belongs to this block group belongs to here. So this census tract has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 block groups, right? So this census tract has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 block groups. Okay, these block groups has 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Right? It's pretty much easy, right? So there are no fixed number, but based on the population, this boundary, it could be expanded, it could be shrinking. Okay, so for example, like the 2010 population was like 100, and 2020 population is like the 500. Then we're gonna split that census tract. Okay, then like the more population, we're gonna split the census tract and then create a new census tract. But if the population is declining, then we're gonna combine two census tract and then make it one census tract. This is how we can adjust like the boundary. Okay, I'm going to tell you later more. This is like the census tract in the Cuyahoga County, so you're gonna see that. Okay, so here, so this is like the smallest boundary block groups. Then as you can see here, if I turn on block groups, this is like the block boundary. Let me make it the red one. This is block boundary, the block group boundary. If I turn on block group blocks, let me go move up. So you can see here, let me see, scroll down a little bit. So you can see here, two. So let me make it hollow. Block boundary. This is black group boundary. Yes, this is black group boundary. I'm going to make it red and 2. Okay, this is a block. This is one block groups here. If you look at, so this is, let me select this. Okay, here we go. So this is one block group. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Many blocks in here. Okay, many blocks. Okay, so this is kind of like the hierarchy. Okay, So let me put it back again. So this is like the black groups. Put it down. Turn up the black groups. I'm going to make it smaller. So now I'm going to make it black and 1. So let me turn up the imagery. Okay, that is much better. Okay, this is like the black boundary. Okay, if I open the, okay, let me see here. Okay, that's like this. This is black boundary. Okay, this is like the GeoID, and this black group become, several black groups become one census tract. So one census tract, usually in between 4,000 to 8,000 people live in one census tract in between. Okay, so depending upon the population size, census tract will be larger or smaller. Okay, so this is census tract. Let me show you. So if you download data from the website, this is I create data, so you will not see this, but this is your, like, the basic data. Look at this: state, county number, census tract number. We're gonna combine all of this and it will become like this. Okay, so if you combine this becomes like this. Okay, this is a GeoID. This is like this one census tract identical. This is like the one census tract ID. Okay, this is a unique ID, we call it. Okay, so let's say based on this is kind of, you know, the total population. Of course, this is sample population data. This is a female total. This is a male total. This is like female under 5, female 05 to 09, which is 5 to 9 years old, 10 to 14, 15 to 17, 18 to 21, 20 to 24. We got the same structure here. This is like the male total population. This is a female over 85 years old. This is male over 85 years old. So, you know, as we learned, if you select like this data, the population data, is associated with what you selected on the layer. Okay, this is the statistical boundary you are going to use a lot. Okay, the Census Bureau provide like the free layer of the black census. This we call it census black groups, census tract. Okay, so based on this data, you are going to download data, and then you are also going to download the data table, and then you are going to join the data table to your layer. Okay, so this is a statistical boundary. Okay, let me show you the line shape file. Okay, so I'm going to activate line shape file. There we go. So I'm going to I'm waiting a little bit. Here we go. This is line shape file. You know, so this is a highway, and this is a street file. So let me open. This is boundary. I put that thing here. This is a highway. If I click, open the attribute table, so you can see here highway names. Now I'm going to ascending. So here, let me select I-271 from here to down. Scroll down, including express road, express lanes. Shift, hold down. I selected 271. It's like this. So let me turn off the imagery file. And let me turn on like the kind of blacks. So this is the line shape file. Okay. So let me zoom in a little bit, downtown area. So it looks like the block, but this is the street road shapefile. Let me open the old roads. So here, so this is the names, like the, let me scroll down a little bit. So we can see here like the Chagrin River, and let me, maybe these kind of things, we have no names on the street. That could be the extension of some like the street. So Euclid, I'm looking for a Euclid. So you can scroll down like this, but you know, if you look at this number of record here. So here I'm going to click table options, selected by attribute, and I'm going to scroll down and full name, double click, and equal, get unique value, and it's searching all the names, and I'm going to type EU. Here we go, we got the Euclid Avenue. Do we have more Euclid Avenue? No, we got just one Euclid Avenue. And then I double click it. So full name equal Euclid Avenue, and I click apply. Then it found 288 segments, something like that. All they are Euclids. Okay, so one Euclid line shape file is not only one single Euclid line shape file. Let me see like this. Okay, so Euclid interesting. Yeah, it goes from downtown all the way up the northeast, right? So this is line shape file. Okay, so if you are doing some transportation things, you need to be really familiar with this kind of line shape file. Okay, so now this road shape file has everything in it, but you can also extract. You can also extract like the highway from here. So also this line shape file also has highway too. You know, so you can extract and then create like highway file like this. Okay, I made labels, property, and labels, and then select a symbol. You click this. Now all the way down, you can see here I selected this. Okay, then you can create the labels like this. Okay, finally I want to show you point shape file. Activate point data frame. I'm going to turn off the imagery. Sometimes it makes like the maps slower. So eventually all those things were, let me show you the property. So general source, it's like this. So feature, if you click apply, symbol, point, apply, it goes back to like this. Okay, so now everything is point, but I don't know which one is which. Okay, so right click and open attribute table. So now I can see here symmetry, all those kind of different stuff. Okay, here look at this, types, all those things, symmetry, church, city hall, green space. Okay, so now let me show you. You can do this thing on the polygon shapefile too. Right click, property, and I'm going to go categories. Okay, categories. Okay, then I'm going to click types, then add all value. Can you see like this? So based on different color, there are like the 93 cemetery, 8 churches, 10 city halls, and 259 green space, 26 the hospital heliport, where like the helicopter land. There are 2 park, the main really. I mean, this is like kind of the example data is not accurate. Try to show you what they are. This is for 143 shopping center, and you can change the color from here. Like you can do like here, or you can change like the gradation things like this. So at this point, I'm going to select this and apply and OK. Still, I don't know. So you can like the large point with like different colors, something like this. But me, I can do here. I scroll down here, many different symbols here. Symmetry, maybe I'm going to symmetry. Here we go. We got something like the pretty shapes here. I like this, and then I can make it a little bit smaller, 13, 14, click OK. So you can see here symmetry here. So if you open property, you can do this here, but also you can just click the point, and then if you scroll down, but you cannot see all those kind of stuff. Maybe you may not see all those kind of like the pretty shapes, okay? But if you want to add like the pretty shapes, want to see all those kind of stuff, like you click the style reference, then you can check the box like this, the public signs, all those kind of stuff. If you click OK, then you can see all new signals, the symbols here, okay? So here you can change like the church. You can just search church and enter, and then here we go. We got like the bunch of church signs here. 3D shapes. Okay, I'm going to click OK. So this is church. This is too small. Maybe I can make it large, 15. So where is church? Where is church? Church. It says like 8 churches, right? Maybe somewhere. Here we go. Church. Okay. So yeah, so you can classify all different types of like the data like this. We got same types here. So again, let me show you. Right click, property. We are here the symbology here, and then click the categories and the unique value, and then I selected unique value, which is like the type field, and then add all values, right? And apply and OK. So you can see based on different categories. Okay, this is category maps. Okay, so then this is point file. Yeah, this is like I just tried to show you the boundary, how many. So we can count how many like the church and cemetery within each cities. We can do this. Okay, so here let me turn on the statistical boundary here. Just let me see here. Here we go. So here. So now like I want to see different symbology. So we did the symbology in the point file, but I want to show you quantity, and I'm going to add total populations, you know, this is range, right? So I click, you know, so we can also make like this based on number of people, number of populations. So 0 to let me change the color a little bit. Color scheme is important as well. So I'm going to use, which one is pretty? I'm going to use this. No. This. Yeah, maybe better. Looks like this. No. I'm going to go to property. You know, this is like the, you can also adjust like a transparency. So display, and then I made like the 50% transparent. I'm going to make the 0% transparent. Okay, so yeah, so this is like the based on like the polygon shape file, you know, like this is quantity map based on population. The point, this is kind of the category map. Okay, they are different. This is based on number. This is based on the name. Okay, so I just try to show you, you can do these things on the if you have the data. So like this number. So okay, this is like the, we covered so much stuff, but don't worry, I'm going to maybe repeat several times in the maybe chapter, the second week, third week. So just try to make you be familiar with those kind of things. Okay. All right, this is the first week lecture. Okay, if you have any problem, let me know. Thank you very much.